Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to build this inverter circuit. This works on 12 volt DC and generate 220 volts AC. As you can see, this small circuit can deliver up to 200 watt of power. We can increase the output power by increasing the transformer size and battery capacity. But now the question is, does a transformer work on DC supply? And the answer is no. A transformer cannot work on direct current supply. We need to supply DC pulse to the transformer to get desired output. Let's build one pulse generator first. Here I build one BC547 based LED flip-flop circuit. Here the frequency can be controlled by the connected base resistor or the capacitor. Here I have used a 220 microfarad capacitor. As a result, you can see the frequency is very low. We can't build one inverter using this frequency. To increase the frequency, I am going to change the capacitor with a lower value. Here I have changed the 220 microfarad capacitor to 47 microfarad capacitor. Let's test the frequency now. Here you can see the frequency is around 2 to 3 Hz. It's also not suitable for an inverter. We need around 50 to 60 to make an inverter. Let's change the capacitor with 1 microfarad capacitor. Here you can see I have changed the capacitor with 1 microfarad. Let's test it now. The LEDs are now lighted up. The frequency is so high that we cannot separate the LEDs on an off situation. To make sure that they are pulsing, we have to connect to the oscilloscope. Here you can see the generated pulse is around 110 Hz. In normal home inverter, the frequency is 50 to 60 Hz. To lower the frequency, use a slightly bigger capacitor. But for experiment, we will use this frequency to make our inverter. To drive the transformer, we need to connect a power transistor or a power MOSFET. Here I am using IRFP054N MOSFET, connecting 100 ohm resistor to the gates of the MOSFETs. Connecting to source pin of the MOSFET together. Now connecting the pulse generator to the MOSFET. Here I will use this 12012 step-down transformer. Connecting 1212 pin of the transformer to the drain of the MOSFETs. Connecting to 12 volt 12 amp hour battery. Connecting 100 watt incandescent bulb to the output of the transformer. Now you can see it's working very fine. If you have enjoyed, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.